Hey guys, Fred Pacelli here. So today what I want to talk about is 5 tax changes that are going into effect for the 2025 tax year that were based off the One Big Beautiful Bill that passed in January of 2025. So the first one I want to talk about is the no tax on tips. So what that is it is a deduction, not a tax credit, a tax deduction of your first $25,000 earned in tips. So this means if you're earning $50,000 from tips, that $50,000 will be reduced to $25,000 in tips that is now taxable. So it's a taxable income deduction. The second one I want to talk about is number 2, is the overtime pay deduction. This is a very similar area. Basically what's going to happen here is you are going to get a $12,000 $500 deduction for all overtime worked. So again, in the example, if you earned overtime worth $25,000, you are essentially going to only get taxed on $12,500 of that overtime. So basically, not everything you're going to earn in overtime is going to be tax-free, only $12,500 of it. The one thing I want to point out with both of these, the overtime and the tips deduction, is payroll taxes, which is your FICA, that's Medicare and Social Security, is still going to be applicable. The third one I want to talk about is car loan interest deductions. This went into effect recently as well. So this is car loan interest payments paid in cars that are assembled, the final assembly in the United States. $10,000 worth of that interest per year is going to be deducted. The fourth one I want to talk about is an increase in the senior deduction. So individuals that are 65 and older are going to get an additional $6,000 deduction that they were not getting in the past. So this is good to help out the older individuals, the retirees, basically to help them out, have some extra tax dollars in their pocket at the end of the year. The final one I want to talk about is good for the homeowners or individuals that own real estate, and they plan on itemizing this year. And this is a major increase in the state and local tax deductions. So in the past, it's been a max out amount or a $10,000 threshold of what you can deduct in state and local taxes of $10,000. That is getting increased to $40,000. So now sales tax, real estate taxes, and other state taxes you're paying can be deducted up to $40,000. Thank you.